format for today is that we've got a really exciting set of talks and discussions with our customers where we're going to be sharing some great insight as to the developments that we're making within Exabeam in order to really improve organizations' ability to detect and respond to any form of cyber attack, whether that's external to the organization or whether it's inside the organization.
I spoke for about 30 minutes today on the role of transforming Security Operations Center, how overloaded the SOC is as a whole, how human-driven it is today, and the role that AI plays as a catalyst in transforming the SOC. All about AI agents, up-leveling human skill sets, bringing analysts some of the tools that they can work faster, better, and smarter, and doing that within the Exabeam platform.
So today I did a session about how the NewScale Analytics detection engine is a next evolution of our advanced analytics detection engine and what the upgrade process looks like. The key takeaways would be to understand why the detection engine is better, why it performs better, how it supercharges our Nova platform, and get customers excited about doing the upgrade.
So during my presentation, I talked about how AI and the analytics gap are fueling insider risk. So we've just published some new research which has taken some fantastic views of 1,000 CISOs and security practitioners worldwide to really understand how they are seeing the AI threat, both with agentic AI and generative AI, and what they're doing to prevent breaches caused by it.
I'm liking the NewScale analytics and the fact that the modeling has changed. I think that will really help, not just reduce the false positive, but I think it's really help us detect threats quicker and bring up meaningful alerts to my analyst.
I think there will be lots of golden nuggets, a lot of information that once I get back, I will digest and process. But I think technical information about the new products, what's coming, all the information about the new technology that is coming, is implementing, that is going to benefit us as a team and as a company. So there's lots of goodies.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Good to see the people we've been meeting like over Teams or over a video conference. The presentations were very interesting and lots of cool stuff announced. So looking forward to see them live.
It's great so far to be able to see the new platform and see other customers as well. The interaction with all the executives and the sales and so on, and the people that we only see through the phones, it's nice to meet face to face.
Yeah, it's been really great actually. Good for networking. I've met some other partners. I've met the Exabeam team, met some Exabeam customers as well to get a good, honest opinion on what they think of the products and solutions. It's been quite an informative day, so lots of different talks I've been able to get involved and listen to. It's been really great, really helpful.
It's really important that Exabeam as an organization run events like today to be able to connect with our customers and to really help them understand how they can exploit all of the capabilities that are built into our platform and our products and our solutions so that they can leverage those to improve their security posture and reduce the risk of a cyber attack. Cybersecurity is a team sport. There has to be a really strong partnership between customers, their security partners, and of course vendors like Exabeam that are constantly innovating to improve our software to better help organizations address the threats that they're facing on a daily basis from cyber attackers.